This video is for those people who have prepared for IELTS, who have done practice and just ready to go to appear in the IELTS test. I am talking about the candidates in Gujarat. I am not sure, but there may be some mechanism in other cities, maybe Lahore, Islamabad or Gujranwala, when there are IDP centers or British Council centers. But in this video I am talking to the people in Gujarat. If you are ready, wherever you prepared IELTS from doesn't matter, but if you are ready to take the IELTS test, let me tell you one thing. There in IDP center Gujarat, they conduct a mock test on every Thursday. When my students become ready after taking mock tests and all these, I suggest them to visit IDP center on Thursday, just to visit the center and have an idea that how they can take the test in the center. Obviously, we have the lab in our institution where we work as a Barful Education Services. People do mock test over there. But the thing is, if you actually visit the center, you will have an idea that how you're gonna visit on the test day, how you're gonna take the test. The main thing, the main point to tell you in this video, obviously you have practiced a lot, you have done your preparation of IELTS and you are going to appear in IELTS test. The pressure, the panic, the environment, familiarity with the environment. You might have done many mock tests at your home, at some academy, but visiting the center before the test releases your pressure. And the other thing which we emphasize during the mock test, that please, if you are taking the mock test alone, if you are taking the mock test on your laptop at your home or in any lab, kindly sit for 2.5 hours. Do not sit for half an hour for listening, then go out and take a break, then come back and take the reading test for 1 hour, then take a break and then come for the writing test. The basic purpose behind the mock test is to develop your stamina of 2.5 hours, sitting on a seat in front of computer and taking the test, developing your stamina to sit for 2.5 hours. So, visiting the center, two things. First, you'll sit, you'll take listening test, you'll take reading test and you'll take writing test, not the speaking, I guess. And the same thing you can do at your home. There are portals, I have given the links, I have provided you the portal links where you can practice for IELTS test. If you haven't got the link, please comment on my video, I'll provide you the link for free practice of IELTS. Sit on the computer, do 3 tests for 2.5 hours. Minimum, at least you need to take 10 mock tests before you appear in the exams. And the one extra thing is you can visit IDP center where they conduct mock test every week, and you can have the familiarity with the test center. All right, that is what I wanted to tell you about the IELTS test at IDP center or IELTS mock test at your home or at some institution. I'll come with the next video with the channel IELTS with Kashif. Thank you very much for watching.